Manzini Wanderers from Manzini Sundowns. Ashayanguli na matatu na mjano. Maniwa mtuwa na 90 minutes kati zote.
Ngicabanga ukuthi namuhla umdalibekana ube nathi ekutheni the few chances that we created we managed to take lawo ma-chances lamabili, and then that means 3 points because i-game plan was simple. If ever we're going to get a draw, it was going to be fine with us. I didn't want to be hard on the boys given our two previous results, which has got for our positive results. And I think they stuck to the game plan, although there are some mistake there and there, but we will not rectify my mistakes now. Unlike now, yeah, it's a pity that there is something that I cannot control. I cannot control, and ibanga futhi tinto letinengi ngiyabekisa udlalile and you are minus with 2 players or 1 player because he's injured or because iformat mina ayikabi ngilenami, and then when you try to ufake lo munye umdlali bese akusakhona ukuthi ijelele team because it's basically a new team, and nalaba bebakhona nabo that they're starting to find their footing. Yeah, nasi khona there are no cry babies. There are no cry babies. EPL dakutshela ukuthi they announced earlier ukuthi register badlala uthole bo coach, so akusiyo umsebenzi wabo ukuthi ekhathi neminyaka sokhazakala ukuthi so banetinto tingcinamba lo hlamana nato sekufuneka kube na change. So gona nasesikhuluma ngebhola, it doesn't help the cause, not of the team alone, of the team of the game in the country, because here we are supposed to produce the national team yadambe udlala, the national team coach is looking upon us to produce lawo badlali lapho. On a parting note, thank you to my opponents at home. They give us a good run for our money. Nagokuthi ke ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume nabo lokho ukuthi ke nabo kuhlala kukhulunywa ngisibanze ukuthi nasiya e-stadium asambeni siyobongelela ema-team ethu. It's embarrassing to the PLE ukuthi ngaba ne-team lewin i-fair award bese iyafika itothuka ibhukishe longadlana nabo, and mina I don't remember owing Babane Swallows anything. Ngithi nje ngobe ngiyathi ukuthi abakathulwa management ngithi they should just refrain from that, but concentrate egameni yabo. Thank you.
Sisijabulisa kakhulu Nkosi. siyajabula cause bokhosi kancane kancane kuyangena le bafaka ukutawula nema players now baswitch on basikhululile bokhosi ukuthi asibe free singesabi sidlala ibhola. That's why it's imcoka because funa ngibatshele because basefika ukuthi kusemadoda afuna sifayithele for this page. Ungathi dlalela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi impress wena yourself. Ufuna ukuthi kube team.
Hey, ngiyano. Sekunengi kakhulu ukuthi lethi ichaza i-performance yebhola. Abanye bathi football will kill you, abanye basho this, abanye basho that. No, August 5. We were caught napping back Korea first goal. When we were trying hard to get an equalizer, we went for a break. Sabuya sabangeko. Askadlali kahle. No, askadlali kahle. Angachazwa performance. But individuals in the field of play, kukhona labanginekede kona lokusho ukuthi we can work going forward. I'm not too sure, but emalangana lesangibe nawo ebholeni umdlali longakhona ucomplete itask la icalile utshengisa ema-signs kungabi mentally and physically fit. Ngicabanga ukuthi that is one area badlali bethu lehamba short. When a team is 1 goal down kuba kuningi kakhulu ukuthi want an equalizer, then bese uyakhohlwa ukukhohlakala konke lelo thiwe what is going to make you a team and what is going to make you get the results you want. Gcina isinto sekafuna kudlala kwakhe lapha egroundini nikhohle lama tactics ngathi le road map ngathi nidwebile as a team. Nganze ngiloko lokunye lokubese liyasimata so khanza ngathi sekufuna shout from time to time because nomnye so khohliwe or so ufuna kwenda kwakhe lokuseceleni, but nje overall akabi kahle. Ilikhona but ke njengoba achazele umlingani wami akusisikhathi secomplain asesedeliver. It is up to us as a team to say sinayo ni personnel enough ngaka medic to address the issue of fatigue on the players nekuthi baside ukuthi i-team badlali basheshe ba recover after i-performance kufuna baphinde baye performance kube ne workout in between. It calls for a medic strong in our team. It's unfortunate ukuthi sisede ngahle lo team.
Yeah, it's always painful to lose the game. I think we did everything, but we didn't find the net. The opponent was too good today. I think next time to be.